Hi, this is Julie with Sew Weird Designs, and now we're going to do Santa's hat. So what we do is we start with hooping our hoop with a water-soluble stabilizer. This is Vilene. And then our first sew is going to show us where our fabric needs to go. You can use any color thread since it's just showing us where to put the fabric. Alrighty, we have the placement stitch done. You can see here, I did it in white. Next we put our fabric down. This is just a poly cotton quilting fabric. We'll sew the next stitch. Alright, we got that done. This is called a secure stitch because this stitch is what you do and then you trim all across here, and this is done in a triple stitch to hold it down. As you can see, I trimmed real close to the bottom here. You wouldn't want to trim this close if you're doing with applique, but this is going to be a different situation. And I didn't trim the sides because what we're going to do is we're going to cut half of this out of the hoop and fold it over to do our seam to join the hat. Alrighty, we got done with the decorative stitching. And if you look real close, you can see I have a basting line stitch that goes right through here. This is going to show us where we need to fold it over. Next part, we're going to put the elastic on. As you can see, we cut a 4-inch piece of 1/4 inch elastic, and what you'll do is you're going to need to fold it like this, and then we tape it on. Alright, set it up on your masking tape like this. And then you place it on the back side of the design, centering it. And you want this part of it to be even right here. I'll show you. Here, where you can see where the tops are even with the top of where the trim is. That's because we're going to be running another trim around here, which is going to hold that into place. This will give you a little better view of exactly how the elastic goes on. You want the bottom part to make sure that you clear so you don't catch that in your stitching. There, you can see here how we caught the elastic into the top of the braiding to hold that in place. Alrighty, you can see how I cut that out, just halfway. And then I will fold this over so that I can match the seams. Tape it. Alrighty, we got that seam sewed. So we're going to just take off the tape, trim it, take it out of the hoop, rinse off the stabilizer, and we will have ourselves a Santa hat. We got Santa's hat done. See, I made a little tassel put on the end.